Okay, so today I just sharing my knowledge about my car. It has some problem with the brake light. So when I turn on, so I can see in the screen everything came out, but when I start engine, you might see one light is not off. It still keep on all the time. And you could see this, so that means also you could see the sound really often here. So this one is not from the problem from this. It's not from the the brakes stop the car right here. So this is not a problem, but the problem is the front there. They have the bottle to keep their the brake. So that means keep this have the problem. So otherwise I can share you very easy if you have the car the same here. So this car Lexus RX300, so I can share the knowledge, so you don't spend as much the money to the shop. So you just go to the shop and you can buy one of these. That is very easy, and you can change this, and then you can stop the light sound here, because this is you still see this called the brake light. See this, the brake light is never off, because the seals on the top there is covered there. They has a a problem. I think the oil just running there, and then make the electronics is running there, so make the brake light never off and sound really noisy when I do this. So this is very easy. If you have the car Lexus RX300 has any problem like that, never off, you go to the front and open it, and you could see the bottle control the brake oils, so you can change that one very easy, and then save lots of money right here. Okay, so now I will go in there. So just turn off this one first. Yes. The first time I need to turn off this. It's over here. So this is the seal, and this seal always has a problem, so no need to add anything. So you just pull this one and change the new one there, then you can stop the sound, and then also you can stop the light inside the menu there. So I don't know how to call this, but it's previous stop, and you just change this one. So here's okay. So it's not easy. I need to make this one first. Okay, this one a new shell, but this is not brand new. It is only the second hand I got from the shop right here. So very easy. So this is cost. It's only $3 from the second hand shop. If I go and to the shop and replace, I mean like ask someone replace for me, it is really expensive. So easy. You just change the shield right here, and then I don't want this. because this one I have already. I just pull this one out. I just pull this one out here. Yeah, right here. Yes. Just pull it out. Pull this out here, and then here. You can see this. I think this the oil just also go on this side, and then you could see the wires maybe no working. So finally, I can see how it is, and then I can change. Here's a new seal, and then it's a second hand. It's not easy to find out a new one, but I think this is working already. Just pull this one off. Yes. Then you can see. Then I just plug to here. Yeah, like this. Here. Go back to this one. Yes, it's working right now. So now I finish right here, so I can put back. Yes, I've done right here. Okay, this one I have to plug back here. Yes, so now I have done. So let's start my machine. Okay, let me start here again. Okay, I can't see. I think the problem, the cable is not connecting together. Okay, so right now I already put everything all together ready. So you can see is I put this seal, not this balloon inside this. So when I turn on the light inside there, I still see brake come out. You can see. So now you see this come out here. Then I turn off again, and I put this. Now I put the seal inside. Put the seal inside here. So now I start again. See, it's not come out. Exactly, I press the frac here. So now it's come out. You see? It's come out right here. So that means very easy. So this is very easy. You can change this, you can place this very easy. No need to go to the shop. So if you have any problem like that, so you can buy a new seal and easy and cheaper than you go to the shop. I know some shop right here super crazy. They if we don't know, they will chop more money. I used to not for me, it's my friend. His car the same like that. He don't know, and then the guy, he fixed the car. He said, okay, this car spent about 2 hours to make this. Then he said, okay, let's go to other place and go to coffee, then come back and the car finished for you or ready for you. But this is very easy, just fix less than 5 or 10 minutes or 20 minutes, something like that, then ready. So otherwise the guy said like that because he can take time, and then maybe he can make can say like, okay, this is not easy work, so just go, and then they can get more money. So that means this is very easy. If you have the car have any problem like that, okay, you can go shop and buy this and buy this. So now I press back, so now it's not come out. Even I start engine or so, yes, no more come out right now. It's no more come out right now. So you can see. So if still any problem, then I press the flex control the body of machine or the body of car. This is will come out, but this is not come out. But I press this, so you can see it is come out right now. So now I don't want it. Yes, it's going back. Okay, it's work right now. It's work right now. I'm sorry, I'm not any experience, but I knew some parts, so I can change by myself. So that means save a lot of money about that. That is easy. If you have the car, the light brake came out like that, let's go and shop and you change this by yourself. So now I can fix back here. Now I fix everything back here, so I can put it back